I was changing the light bulb outside, and as I took the light bulb out, the A19 bulb base got stuck inside. This has actually never happened to me before, so I got in contact with my brother-in-law, who is an electrician, and he gave me some tips on what to do next. This is a picture of the bulb base stuck inside. I was able to get it out, and I'll show you how I did it. He said to grab a small potato, but I didn't have one. I had a carrot, and he said to use the big side. This is important. Make sure the light switch is turned off. Okay, now I'm outside, and I'm going to put the carrot up inside the base. Push up and hard and go counterclockwise. And you can see it's starting to loosen up. Now I'm able just to use my hands, go counterclockwise until it comes out. Now that it's out, I can change it with a new light bulb. And there we go. The carrot saved me a lot of time. I was trying with my hands and it just wasn't working, but the carrot, it was easy peasy, 1, 2, 3. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.